In today's video, I will show you how to download and get Delta Executor. So first, go to your preferred browser. For me, I will use Brave. Then go to the official Delta Executor website. Search in your browser Delta Executor official site. Now let's download the executor by clicking on the download button if you don't have it already. Remember to select Android, iOS or Windows depending on your device. You may be redirected through link vertice or a similar ad-based platform. Once done, it will redirect you to the download or next key page. Install the executor from your browser's download tab, after which you will be required to run the installer or executable. It may ask you to disable antivirus temporarily or give permission to all file access. Please comply. Now launch Delta Executor and open the application. It will give you access to multiple games, just pick one to get started. Launching a game will prompt you to get the key. Now this is how to get the Delta key. A drop down will appear asking you for the key. Just click on the receive key below it to get it. The app will open a browser and redirect you to a key system. Click on continue. After completing those steps, you'll receive a key string. Paste it back into the executor to unlock it. Paste the final key into the key input box. Click verify key. If successful, you'll gain full access to the executor. And here are some safety tips. Use tools like any.run or virus total to scan downloaded files. Never share your Roblox login or cookies. Avoid downloading modded or cracked versions from YouTube links. And finally, consider using a sandboxed environment for such activities. Thank you for watching this video.